We designed and 3D printed a bee feeder using the new version of FreeCAD 1.0. We're Hacker Twins, and today we're going to talk about FreeCAD.
FreeCAD is a great free CAD software.
What does CAD even stand for?
I don't know.
Computer aided design.
Yeah.
You really didn't know that?
No, I don't know that.
Okay. Today's subject is actually bees. I had a swarm of bees in my backyard, and my brother-in-law has bees at our family farm.
Yeah, they make mead, they grow flowers.
And mead is just honey wine.
Yeah, it's a cool thing.
So I called him and he scooped them up, and now he has them at the farm. And then when we checked on the bees, he asked me if I can make him more bee feeders for the beehives. And I said, yeah, because this is a perfect job for FreeCAD and just CAD in general. And if you could think it, you can 3D print it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's go to the farm and check out the bees.
John here, beekeeper brother-in-law. Feeding sugar to a freshly caught swarm of honeybees is a common practice to support their transition into a new hive. It gives an immediate energy boost, reducing the stress the swarm experiences during capture. Without immediate nectar sources, the colony might struggle to maintain the queen's health. Our old hive feeders were a poor fit and required blocking to keep them secure. It's great to see how 3D printing can benefit the farm. Back to you, Hacker Twins.
Wow, that was such a fun time at the farm with all those bees.
They're well-fed bees as
Yeah.
well with those bee feeders.
If you like bees, like and subscribe.
Oh, it's the bee box. Those are the bees. And that's the bee man.
What I'm going to do first is I'm going to just prune around and reduce all these things here, and I'm going to just scoop this in, put it right in the box. Shouldn't agitate them too much.
Oh my gosh, they can smell fear. My fear.
Here we go.
It's a live branch, and he's got it. Oh, the bees have dropped.
That was a lot less graceful than I wanted it to be.
They fell into the tailgate.
Yeah,
That's better than onto the ground.
yeah, but I was a little bit clumsy.
I like to imagine three-dimensional shapes for robots or just things that break around the house. And you can convert thoughts in your mind to 3D images that can be simply 3D printed.
Yeah, I've tried other software, but FreeCAD is just free and open source.
For us, it's been that combination of the advanced functionalities that we need, gear libraries, making airfoils with curves. We did a video called FreeCAD in 5 minutes.
It took a long time to get used to it. There's a lot of workbenches.
There's a really cool, intelligent feature now where you don't have to pick length, height, radius, diameter, all these things. It just knows what you want. It's just less keystrokes, and
It's like the dynamic distance.
yeah, it's exactly what you'd want it to be. So I love this new feature. It was great talking about the new FreeCAD, but that's all the time we have in the new studio.
If you like FreeCAD, like and subscribe. If you know what Semver means, like and subscribe.
If you know what CAD stands for, like and subscribe.
Or, yeah, I don't. Hacker Twins out.